Hello friends, today we are going to have a video. This video will show you how to transfer a image to faux embroidery and sequins effect. Like this picture here, you can see this logo is the original picture, alright? And here, the down one is, we can see, we have the faux embroidery effect. See? And the letter M, we have sequins effect. So in this video, we're going to show you how to make this. And this is for the DTF. You can have a look of the finished result on the DTF film. We can have a look first. We can see the letters have faux embroidery and sequins effect. Okay. So to achieve this effect, we will have to use the Photoshop tool. Here we will have support these tools here for embroidery. This is for badges and images and letters. So let me introduce each of them briefly. So for the badges one, we have made effect for like this. We can edit the contents of your badges here, different badges, different designs for different texture on the background. Okay, so this is the small badges, and here for the letters, we can have a look the different effect, here. You can see the effect on the right side. Any of them we can edit inside the PSD file. For example, we will be open like this one. This is for the easier edit for a design. It will be have changed it automatically like this. This is the effect. Okay, so this kind of different embroidery effect, and this the same. We have prepared you for different formats here. You can check of them. Okay, so the other one we are going to show you here's, for example, the patterns templates for the patch, and we can edit them, the edge, the contents. We can open one to see. Okay, see here, different shapes for our different patches. We have put it here. We have in this design, in this PSD file, we have 6 patch. So for example, for this one, we can move the size of it or the shape of it. We can adjust by ourselves. Okay, so we open the contents inside. We can see the different style here. First, we can edit the styles. Now we are using the style 2. So we can check the style 1, which is the different stitching here on the edge. See, different stitches. So we are going to test with the style 2. So we can edit the colors as we need. For example, the red or the blue. we can edit it very easily for our patches. Okay, this is stitching, and for the embroidery here, we can put different layers. For here, name is color. We just put the different layers of the images. Okay, so I'm going to open this. We just drag one design inside. Any design. Okay, so we save this. You see here saving. After it's finished, we will see the effect here from the front. It's a little bit bigger, so we can adjust size. Smaller, okay. And saving again. Now this is like this badge. We have this badge here. This is for designs. We can totally add four different designs here. We can also make it different colors. If you separate your design to different colors in AI or CorelDRAW, that will be easier for your work. Okay, here we have different styles. You can see the styles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are for the effect of the pages here. For example, I more prefer for the style 5. You see, this is more closer to some these different textures. Okay, this will be based on what kind of design of your textile. We can also use different type to have a look. This is another type. And here on the top we have flat and bold. This for to edit our pages effect. You see, now it's not have bold. We open it, it will show. So see, this more embossment effect. And in the bold, we can choose if you have color 1, 2, 3, 4, have 4, you can choose which one to have bold, which one not have. This is easy to adjust here. Okay, so this is for the patches mockup. Okay, this is very easy to edit with your items. If you have orders for the patches, they have already make some for the different shapes, different colors. We can using now. It's ready to use. Okay, I'm saving this one, and this will be ready to print. This is just a example. No matter how many colors, layers for this picture here is, for example, the working method is same. Okay, and we're going to show you how this is for the patches which is have a design, that's the shape of it. But what if we want our designs, any designs. Now we're going to show you for any designs to make this effect. Okay, the first thing we have the embroidery generator here, and we have two folders. Embroidery generator, basically the contents is similar like the patches one. Okay, and the background, we can use any background here for the texture, and we have prepared different textures here just for show the effect Okay, so different textures. Like this one is we're using similar, right? So here we have different textures. Here you can also edit them. It's very easy. And we are using one of them texture, or we can use just a pure color. Right. So I'm going to use a light gray one to see the images clearly. Okay. So first we're going to open our images we want to edit. Okay, I put it in the center of the canvas. And now we open the embroidery generator. We can see we have folder, your design here, and effect flat and bold, and different styles. As I said, I more prefer for the style 5. We can use it for now for testing. Okay, so your design here, I want to add one design which is the same, the logo. Put it on the center. Fine. We save it. Now it's saving. Okay, so now we can see here already have the textures which the style 5. Okay, you can see the details here. So basically it's very simple, and we have different colors layers here. I want another, I put in the center and I choose it and I click select, modify, expand. For example, if your design is high resolution, you can give it more pixel. If your design have lower, you can give less pixel. So for example, this one I want to give it 25 pixel. You can see where it now the lines. Okay, so now I want to give it a give it a white color. No matter what colors you give it. Okay, save. Now we can see here the results is showing. Basically, these steps very easy, right? Now this already looks like embroidery effect. And now we can adjust if we want the bold. For example, if we want the bold only for the out, so the inside will looks like flat. Here are some lighters just normally open. For the bold, we can choose which one to bold. Normally, if your designs is already made, if your designs is already have different colors, will be like this. Will be like this. All right. So see, it's outlines. For this, we have different ways. You just choose the easier way for you. Now we can see, right? So this is the final outlook here. If we want the bold only for the outside, you can see it's more like the white lines is, the outline is more rising and inside is flat. And we can also make the inside out. So this is which we can choose here true. Okay, now this for the embroidery effect, and then we're going to show you how to make a sequins effect. Okay, so when I open this, you see here is flat, right? When it's flat, this is the original design. This is the original design. So if we want, for example, I want only the M, letter M. I want only the letter M. I choose M. Delete others. Delete others. Okay, so here I only have the letter M. Okay, so I want the M to have different like sequins effect. Okay, I have fill. We choose the patterns here in the Photoshop, and this we just need to add the sequins pattern in the Photoshop like this. It will be like sequins effect. Okay, so this is it, and like this one. Now this is what we are doing. We just did, and this is sequins. Okay, and we have offered more than sequins here for you. Okay, here we have different styles. You can see fabric styles, leather styles, and leather. We have double click them to add them in Photoshop. We can have it here, the styles. All right, so for example, we are just using this one style. So we can see here many different styles, right? We offered many different styles here. So if we want the letter M to be not only sequins, we also want other effect. We can just directly click here. It will be automatically generate to the one we clicked. Okay, like this. We must choose here. Okay, different styles here choosable. Not only sequins, but also kind of leather effect like that. See, different leather effect. So for this one, we can when you have this, you can test out all of them to see the results which you like. Different leather effect. It's not only the sequins. Like this. All right. Okay, so this will be it. And after we finish the design, we can close the background. Close the background. We will have the transparent background designs, and we can save them for print. Okay, for the background, we have different texture. Texture for you to see on the different texture. The effect will be different too, like this. For example, we can open here to see a different texture, which we have. Different textures. For example, if we want it to be this for example, and save, then it will be look this, and we can enlarge it save. This will be it. Okay, so that's it for this tool, for the Photoshop tool for the faux embroidery and the screens or other styles using method. I wish you can enjoy this. Thank you.